Hey, so today I'm going to generate 301 redirects in under a few minutes for a website rebuild using Rapid 301. Let's jump ahead here and copy this current site URL, paste that in here. Copy the staging site URL, paste that in here. Hit acknowledge and then click generate redirects. Now this tool is going to go ahead and crawl both sites, find the pages on them, and then automatically match up the most relevant paths. And then we can export that CSV or htaccess and just upload it to our backend. So we found 21 pages here. Click begin review. You can see we've got 4 exact matches and the 24 pages reviewed. That includes the best match ones or high confidence matches and the direct matches. So yep, that looks pretty good. I'm going to come here, type in VR or virtual reality. We've got nothing there. I'm just using enter to go ahead and map these out. That looks like architectural visualization would be a good one. You can go ahead and just tick these off. Virtual reality, we know there's nothing there. Contact is going to contact. Cool. That looks good. That looks great. Map that. Great. Now we've matched all of these. Let's click on download CSV. Let's open this migration data and you can see all of the redirects are here. So what we need to do then is take this, go to the publishing tab on Webflow if you're using that, bulk upload the CSV or use it for any other CMS. If you needed it in a different format, you could always download it as a htaccess file. And we're using the longer paths on the htaccess file first because that means that will go to them over here. You don't want any early exits with the redirects. You've got some notes here as to how that works. So cool, I think that covers it in under a few minutes. We've done 301 redirects for this website. Thanks for watching.